any competitive exams are not just a test of knowledge. It's a test of mindset, resilience, and focus. And that is why I created this unique series, that is subject plus mindset. Because it's not enough to learn polity, history, economy, or any subject. You must also master memory, focus, confidence, and calmness. The inner tools that make all the difference in exam hall. Quantum computing, artificial intelligence, CRISPR, are blockchain. For most of aspirants, science and tech feels like an alien language. You read it once, but by the next day it's gone. But here is the secret. Science and technology is not about memorizing jargons. It's about awakening curiosity. The one thing that makes your brain hungry to learn. Today I will show you how to turn confusion into curiosity so that science and tech become your scoring subject in competitive exam. First, focus on the 3 high-yield areas for UPSC or any competitive exam. First, emerging technology, that is AI, robotics, quantum computing. Second, biotechnology and health, stem cells, vaccine and all. Third, space and defense, that is ISRO missions, Chandrayaan, DRDO projects. And instead of drowning into details, just learn what is it, why it matters, and third, how it impacts India. That's the 80% of science and tech questions in competitive exam. Here is where the brain comes in. The dopamine system in your brain lights up when you feel curiosity. When dopamine flows, your hippocampus stores information deeper, and that is why topics you are curious about stays in memory for the years, while boring topics vanish. Trick your brain with a curiosity journal. For every new concept, ask what, why, how. For example, CRISPR. What is it? Why is it revolutionary? How can it change India's agriculture? When your brain gets these small curiosity questions, it rewards you with a deeper focus and stronger recall. Our sages call this jigyasa, the sacred curiosity. In Upanishads, students never received answer directly. They asked questions, and the Guru guided them to discover. This question-driven learning created self-experienced knowledge and not shallow memorization. You can apply the same. Treat each science and tech topic as a riddle from the universe. Instead of forcing memory, and let curiosity pull you in. Let's try this now. Imagine ISRO's Chandrayaan not as a rocket, but as India stretching its hand to touch the moon. Imagine AI, not a computer code, but as a digital apprentice learning from humans. See, when you turn concepts into the living images, your curiosity makes them unforgettable. And here is your 3-day curiosity challenge. Day 1, pick one technology like blockchain. Write down what, why, and how. Day 2, pick one space mission like Chandrayaan. Draw it as a story. And day 3, pick one biotech concept like CRISPR. Related it to a real world use. In 3 days, you will notice your brain shifting from boredom to excitement. If this video helped you see science and tech differently, hit subscribe and share it with your study group. And if you want my full subject plus mindset blueprint, connect with me on a one-to-one strategy call, because any competitive exam isn't just about mugging science. It's about sparking curiosity. And when curiosity meets learning, knowledge becomes effortless. Thank you.